I think what's really important is that in education we have spent so much time focusing on the admin side of collection of data. We've missed a huge trick when it comes to what we do with that data. For myself as a leader and a wider leadership team, the most positive impact is our ability to ensure that actually we're meeting the needs of our most vulnerable learners. Those that come here that are already at a disadvantage because England hasn't been their home for a period of time or they weren't born here, means that in line with the Ofsted framework and ensuring that we are being fully inclusive, we can guarantee that we are meeting the needs of some of those because we have the support, the resources and the testing systems through FlashAcademy.